So I went to my local bookstore, and they had a couple of these cute little houses that were little doll houses. So I went ahead and I painted them black. I usually use like a spray paint that has a primer in it, so it actually stick to the plastic. But each one of them were painted black, and they came out really cool for kind of like the spooky features. And then I went in to start creating what my house would look like. This is actually the front of the house of the Nightmare on Elm Street. I painted the sides of it and broken popsicle sticks, things like that, put up on the sides, painted the front and the back. I put a little light in the front. That's just a little twist light. It has like a battery in it. And then it kind of made it a little spooky, painted it white there in the front. It came out pretty good. It took me a couple days to do. I was even impressed with myself that that it came out the way it did. I put some pumpkins on the front of the porch, and those pumpkins I went ahead and made from a sculpture clay. Of course, I made his hand. I wasn't too good about his hand, but I tried to make his hand, and then the front of the house looks really, really good. Yeah, we've got, of course, the green, and then, you've got the kind of slightly side to the house there where the pumpkins are at. The door's red. There's his hand. His hand looks decent. It's not the best, but that's all in creating what you feel inside of your head that's going to actually work. However, I was really proud of myself when it comes to the pumpkins that I set on the porch. Hopefully it looks a little bit like the Fred Krueger house. I kind of turned that little light on there to shine his little hand, and then I put his hand in different places just to see what it would look like. There's the inside of the house with the blood red floor and his glove just laying there. And then there's a little chandelier that's on the inside.